Okay, I don't know how well you'll be able to hear me. This is the main wiring harness under my hand. Now if you look, wires on this side don't match the wires on that side. Because this is for an 84, this is 83. However, after some investigation, I'll pull back. It looks like a mess right now. That's because everything's been stretched 2 feet and it's going to be wound under the frame. The car's running under its own power. This is beautiful. Everything's working. And you got the shrink tubes on everything. I'll heat those up. I've got everything marked. I know exactly where everything is. So that's what we've been doing.